What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're gonna be doing truck camping with the heated vest. So without further ado, let's get a bed made. Here's what we got working with. Yeah, by the way, I'm 6'3", so might be a little uncomfortable, but I'm thinking putting my feet right there and then head and stuff down here. But first, gotta clean out. It's a little dirty back here, so I just gotta clean it out a little bit, but you know, let's get into it. All right, so here's all the stuff we're gonna be using tonight. So let me get this squared away into a bed. All right, so I'm gonna test this out, make sure it actually is comfortable. And you know what? Honestly, back here ain't too bad. All right, light shut off, so I gotta get my flashlight on, but here's what we're working with. And I have some pillows down there so it kind of evens out, so I can my feet down there. This ain't too bad. It's just gonna be the staying warm part. But I'll go get the heated vest and show you guys what that's about. All right, so here's the heated vest. That means it's on. But yeah, so basically I got this for Christmas. I don't remember exactly, but all this right here, that's kind of like the chromish, will all heat up. And then right here's the little battery pack, so I got to make sure that's all charged up for tonight. But yeah, so that's the setup for tonight. I'm gonna wait a little bit till it gets decently dark, till my bedtime, if you will. And by the way, we're camping in my front yard, so that'll be pretty fun. Since I'm not 16 though, give her a month or two, I'll be out there. But yeah, let me make sure everything's charged up and ready to go for tonight. And also, guys, we got the power bank for tonight, so I'll be giving a review on this as well. And also, guys, it's supposed to get down to a solid 29 degrees tonight, so hopefully that heated vest will keep me warm. So here, we got our heated vest. And it is freaking chilly out tonight, guys. Little dogs barking in the background, but baby on. Ooh, this thing's freaking cold, man. Let me zip it up. That's somewhere like right there. And then let's hop on in. See if I can shut this with the key. Oh. Nice, man. Yeah, it's freaking getting cold back here, guys. But let me do some rearranging here. Make sure you don't lose those keys. Here's what we got going for the feet situation, we got 2 blankets wrapping them up. And then we got a little bass here. Got my power bank. Turn that on. Ooh, oh. Perfect. Alrighty. Let me get more tucked in here. I'll show you guys that finished result. It's gonna be a little cramped down here because you guys can't really tell, but these seats are pretty close together. But all in all, we're doing pretty good. Well, right now it's about 10-ish o'clock. So I'll give you guys an update in about an hour or two, and let you guys know how the heat's holding up and whatnot. So see you guys then. Well, it's been about an hour and 30 minutes, and you know what? It's freaking hot in here. Like, I am not cold whatsoever. I did do a few changes though. Push these seats up so I can like move my knees because it was really annoying. But yeah, I mean my feet are still warm. I'm warm in this thing. Had to take off my coat as you guys can see, but yeah. Got the power bank right here, charging the phone. And I'm gonna call it a night, so I'll see you guys in the morning. And sleeping here, or attempting to sleep here. Yeah, when I get a truck, when I build out the bed, I'm definitely getting a mattress because this freaking sucks. God. By the way, this is my mom's vehicle, not mine. But for real this time, see you guys in the morning. So it's 5:07 a.m. and I had to turn the truck on because I'm freaking freezing. My heated vest is dead and it's like 28 degrees out. So I'll see you guys around like 6:37. Oh, my pillow. Well, geez. But now we're gonna cook some breakfast. Oh my God. Isn't this just beautiful, guys? Jeez. Jeez. Just running out of butane, so. You know what, guys? Don't mind the spilled egg. That freaking sucked, but this ain't too bad. But that's where I'm gonna end it off here for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in the next one. So, peace out.